Good day, ma'am. Today, we'll be talking about the shapes around us. Shapes are all around us in buildings, objects, and even nature. They are important because they help us understand form, space, and structure in our daily lives. In this video, we will discuss different kinds of shapes such as quadrilaterals, circles, prisms, and cylinders. Each member will explain and show examples of these shapes. Quadrilaterals are shapes that have four sides and four angles. So these are the four sides: one, two, three, four, and four angles: one, two, three, and four. A quadrilateral has four vertices, four corners, and the sum of its interior angles is always 360 degrees, meaning each of the angle is 90 degrees. Some types of quadrilaterals are squares, rectangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids. For example, a notebook represents a rectangle because it has opposite sides that are equal and parallel, while an egg tray can also be a square because of its equal sides.
Let's talk about prism. A prism is a solid 3D shape that has two identical bases and flat rectangular sides. This is the rectangular sides of prism. This is an aquarium. Let's take aquarium as an example, and especially a shoebox. Shoebox is a 3D shape that has two identical bases and flat rectangular sides. An aquarium has 6 faces, 2 bases and 12 edges, and 8 vertices corners. Every first face of aquarium shape prism is a rectangular and opposite sides are equal in length. Prism as used in real life object like box, building, and even glass decoration.
A circle is a shape with no corners or edges. Every point on the circle is the same distance from the center. This is called a radius. And this is the example of circle. This is the first example of circle. A coin is a small, flat circular piece of metal used as money. Like all circle, a coin has no corners and edges, and every point along its edge is the same distance from the center. This is called radius. Coins clearly shows that the circular shape are easy example of how the radius and diameters work. If you measure from one side of the coin to the other through the center, you can get the diameter, which is twice the radius. And the edge of the coin represents the circumference, which is the total distance around it, and you can be calculate using the formula of C is equals to 2PR. A volleyball is another example of the circular shape when viewed from the front or top. Through it's a 3D object, the face of the ball is around like a circle. The center point of any edge on this face is the radius, and the distance all the way across through the center is diameter. When players hit or serve the ball, they interact its around shape, which help is to move smoothly through the air. And the circular face of the volleyball help demonstrate how the concept of the radius, diameter, and circumference appears in the sports and daily activity. And this is the two of my example of the circle. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Finally, we have a cylinders. A cylinder is a solid shape with two circular bases connected by a curved surface. The example at a cylinder is a roll of yoga mat and a can of Pringles. A cylinder has three faces. 1, 2, 3. Two flat circular bases. 1, 2. And one curved surface. It also has no edge or vertices.
To sum it up, shapes are everywhere in the things we see and use every day. We learned that quadrilaterals, circles, prisms, and cylinders each have unique properties and uses in real life. Together, these shapes help us understand the world's structure and design. So remember, shapes are everywhere and they help us understand the world better. Thank you for watching.